Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pelham. One surprising thing that many people notice when working in SEO is that sometimes extremely simple pages rank higher than websites that look far more professional or visually impressive. You might see a page with a very basic design, minimal images, and ranking above a website that invested heavily in design, animations, and interactive elements. This can feel counterintuitive because we often assume better design should lead to better ranking. However, search engines primarily evaluate content quality, accessibility, and usability, not how visually impressive a page looks. In this lesson, we'll explore why simple pages can outperform highly designed ones. One of the biggest advantages of simple pages is speed. Highly designed pages often include many JavaScript files, animations, fonts, videos, and large images. All of these elements increase the amount of data that needs to load when someone visits a page. Simple pages, on the other hand, typically contain mostly text and a few images. Because of this, they tend to load much faster. Fast loading speeds improve user experience and are also an important technical factor when search engines consider evaluating web pages. Another reason why simple pages perform well is clarity. When a page is very clean and the text is focused, users can actually scan the content and locate the information they are looking for. Highly designed pages sometimes lay very heavy emphasis on visuals, layout sections, or interactive elements. While these can improve branding and aesthetics, they can also slow down how quickly a user reaches actual information. Search engines try to deliver pages that satisfy user intent quickly. So pages that clearly answer the query perform well. Another advantage of simpler pages is that they reduce distractions. Many modern websites include pop-ups, banners, sliders, animations, and multiple calls to action. While these elements can be useful for marketing, they can also interrupt the reading experience. A simple page often focuses almost entirely on the core content. When users can read and understand the information without interruptions, the overall experience becomes smoother and more efficient. This can indirectly support better engagement signals. Simple pages tend to have clearer content signals. When a page is structured with straightforward headings, paragraphs, and minimal visual complexity, it becomes easier for search engines to interpret the topic of the page. Highly designed pages sometimes place important text inside complex layouts, scripts, or interactive elements. While modern search engines are very advanced, simpler structures make it easier for them to interpret and evaluate the page's content. It's important to understand that search engines are not judging websites based on individual beauty. Their goal is to deliver pages that best answer the user's question. A beautifully designed page that does not satisfy the search intent may perform worse than a page that answers the query directly. This is why in some search results, you may see some very basic pages ranking above websites that appear far more sophisticated. To summarize, simple pages can rank well because they often load faster, deliver information clearly, reduce distractions, and present content in a way that search engines can easily interpret. While design is important for branding and user experience, it does not automatically improve search rankings. In many cases, a page that focuses on delivering useful information efficiently can outperform a more complex and visually elaborate page. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.